Imagine your RV is booked and it's out on the road with the renter. You get a call saying that something has either failed or the RV is broke down somewhere. You make a call to the roadside assistance or the mobile mechanic and find out that yes, they can fix it. However, the part is not available and they won't be able to get it for a few days. In that case, the RV is stuck or inoperable. Either way, you're dealing with a lot of headaches and the renters are frustrated. So in this video, I'm going to provide a list of 10 things that I keep on board the RV to avoid these scenarios and save time and money for repair costs. Number 1, water pump. There's so many times that a renter may forget to turn off a faucet or for whatever reason leave the water pump button on, and then sometimes the water pump can just burn out, or it could just fail on its own. Either way, having a water pump on board and ready to go can help any mobile mechanic that's called out to the scene to get it fixed and operating again quickly. Number 2, a fan belt. It's a fairly quick and easy fix. However, sometimes mobile mechanics and roadside assistance people don't always have access to the exact part number that you need, and so it's best to keep one on board at all times. That way, if it does happen, you don't have to worry about going too far to change it out. Number 3, engine oil. Now, engine oil obviously is vital to the vehicle engine. However, the generator sometimes can either burn through oil, and if it gets low enough, may have trouble starting. Number 4, water heater fuse. Water heater fuses are inexpensive. However, sometimes they can be hard to find, or if it's in a remote location and you don't have access to the parts itself, it can be difficult. So it's better to have it on board and ready to go in case a mobile mechanic or even the renter can get out there and change it themselves. Number 5, igniter. For propane water heaters, it's important that you have a clean igniter in order for it to fire up and heat up the water. They're fairly inexpensive, but sometimes it can be difficult to find them in stock, so it's always best to have one on board. Number 6, water hose. Water hoses can crack and leak and sometimes even get lost, so it's always best to have an extra on board just in case. Number 7, a basic toolkit. Having wrenches, screwdrivers, sockets, and even cordless drills can also be helpful if you need to change something out quickly. Number 8, sealant. It's also important to prevent cracks and things like that. And I always find that when you have maybe there's a leak or something like that, having sealant on board can help the renter address the situation or a mobile mechanic. Number 9, duct tape. Duct tape is universal fix-it tool, obviously, and I've seen it happen where renters have used it to tape down cabinets that maybe they busted, or in one case I remember a renter broke one of the awnings, so they had to tape the awnings back together in order to get the RV home with the awning intact. Number 10, jumper cables. You never know when the battery could drain. Somebody leaves the headlights on, or maybe just a bad battery. But having jumper cables is definitely helpful, especially when you're out on the road. Breakdowns don't happen always, but it's better to be prepared, and having these items on board can help you avoid frustrating situations and even customers canceling their trips and having to issue out refunds. So hopefully you found this stuff helpful. If so, and you found value in it, consider subscribing to the channel, hit the like button, and if you have any comments or questions, leave those in the comment section below. I'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching as always and supporting the channel. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.